believe the hype. Nature's force. In House of Gucci, Lady Gaga is very amazing. Lady Gaga's performance in Ridley Scott's latest film, House of Gucci, has been praised by critics. The Chromatica singer plays Patrizia Reggiani, a real-life Italian socialite convicted in 1997 of plotting the murder of her ex-husband. Adam Driver plays her previous lover, business billionaire Maurizio Gucci, in the film. House of Gucci, which debuted in theaters on Wednesday, has received largely mixed reviews, earning a middling 63% on Rotten Tomatoes, a popular review aggregate site. Even the harshest critics, however, agree, as the film's furious femme fatale, Gaga is hypnotic, coldly electrifying, and enthralling to witness. Lady Gaga, like in her previous Unhappily Ever After Cinderella fable, A Star is Born, dons a working-class shell for a short time.